Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. These conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large-scale and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later signals and possible warnings. Stations in your weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeat, severe thunderstorm watch number 553 has been issued from 2:40 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, London, Kingston, and Cumberland, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Delaware, out 20 nautical miles.
Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape Henlopen to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Fenwick